Hello guys, welcome to another video by Simplilearn. I am Keertana and today we shall be listing the future programming languages and getting to know each one by one. Before getting into the video, here's a gentle reminder to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you wouldn't miss any update from us. Programming languages have changed all our lives, taking us to a whole new world. It has made applications easier to use and more efficient. With various developer communities and different use cases emerging, there are numerous programming languages coming up. And the common question among the beginners is, which programming language should I learn? With the ever-growing list of programming languages making it really tough for programmers to pick any one language, we are here with a list of top future programming languages for the coders who want to make it big in the coming years. Note that these programming languages are in no particular order. Kotlin. Kotlin, developed by JetBrains, is a cross-platform, open-source, statistically typed programming language. One of the stated goals of Kotlin is to compile as quickly as Java. Similar to how Java was named after the Indonesian island Java, Kotlin is named after Kotlin Island near St. Petersburg. Kotlin version 1.0 was released in February 2016 and in November 2017, Kotlin version 1.1 was released. Google has fully supported Kotlin designing Android apps as an alternative to Java since October 2017. Kotlin can be used for web development, Android development, Windows development, as well as side application servers. It runs on Java Virtual Machine and is much simpler than Java. Kotlin is an easy to learn and one of the fastest growing programming languages in the recent years. It is indeed a wise choice for Android app developers and programmers to learn this language in the coming years. Here's a snapshot of Kotlin programming language. Swift. Released in 2014, Swift is a compiled programming language developed by Apple Inc. and the open source community. Inspired by Python, Swift is simple, safe, and easy to read and learn. This programming language was developed as a replacement for Objective-C, Apple's earlier programming language. As Swift made the code quicker to write and less prone to common errors, it quickly gained in popularity, particularly with the iOS developers. The specifications of this language are quite broad, and it's not just a syntactic Objective-C cleanup. One of the killer features of Swift is its language design. It has a simpler, concise, and clean syntax. As a compiled language, Swift is as fast as C++. According to the Stack Overflow survey, this programming language is ranked 6th as the most beloved programming languages. With people becoming more addicted to their cell phones at all hours of the day, the need for iOS developers and programming languages like these isn't going away anytime soon. Here's how a code snippet from Swift looks like. Go. Designed by Google, Go is a statistically typed compiled programming language. It was designed back in 2007 to improve programming productivity in the era of multi-core, large code bases, and networked machines. It was publicly announced in November 2009. Go is widely used in production at Google and various other organizations and open source projects. It has excellent built-in support for concurrent programming, which makes it best for highly complex applications. Due to its syntax, Go is considered as an easy-to-learn programming language. It does not incorporate any complicated concepts or complex metaprogramming. It's best suitable for minimal web applications, APIs, and web servers. Also, according to a recent survey of tech professionals, Go language programmers had the highest average salary at $132,000 per year. All these pointers are enough by itself. to state why you should learn this programming language in the coming years. This is how a simple Go program looks like. TypeScript. Developed and maintained by Microsoft, this programming language is a strict syntactical superset of JavaScript and adds optional static typing to the language. This was first made public in October 2012, after 2 years of internal development at Microsoft. Several IT experts have recognized the popularity of TypeScript, which is considered as ideal for developing large applications. Like Go and Kotlin in the list, the key feature of TypeScript is the language design. It has crisp and clean code, which makes it one of the most elegant programming languages out there. TypeScript is one of the fastest growing web programming languages. It is ranked 5th according to GitHub Octoverse. So, if you are looking to learn a web programming language, TypeScript is a good choice. Here's a snapshot of TypeScript programming language. R. R is an analysis programming language that is used for graphical and statistical analysis of huge data. This is an open source and analytical environment which helps in data mining and data representation. It is supported by the R Foundation for Statistical Computing and was implemented in 1976 at Bell Labs. R comes with a set of inbuilt wide range of libraries that are useful in statistical and graphical analysis of chunks of data. R programming's primitive implementation is written in C, C++, Fortran, and R. Most of the extended user-defined packages are written using these languages, which specialize in statistical techniques. This makes R expandable language for various platforms. Here's how a code snippet from R looks like. Up next in the list we have Solidity. Solidity is a high-level object-oriented programming language for implementing smart contracts. Smart contracts are the programs that govern the behavior of accounts within Ethereum state. It is a statistically typed programming language which is designed to target the Ethereum virtual machine and was influenced by C++, Python, and JavaScript. It was initially proposed in August 2014 and at present Solidity is the primary language on Ethereum as well as on other private blockchains running on platforms that compete with Ethereum. Here's a snapshot of Solidity programming language. Scala. This general-purpose programming language provides support for both object-oriented programming and functional programming. Designed by Martin Odesky, Scala has a strong static type system and most of its design decisions are aimed to address the criticisms of Java. Scala first appeared 16 years ago on 20th January 2004. The name Scala is a portmanteau of scalable and language, signifying that it is designed to grow with the demands of its users. Scala provides language interoperability with Java so that the libraries written in either of these languages may be referred directly in Scala or Java code. Some of the features of Scala that's not present in Java are operator overloading and optional parameters. Here's how a code snippet from Scala looks like. Dart. Dart is a client-optimized programming language used for developing mobile applications for iOS and Android using a single code base. It was developed by Google and first appeared 9 years ago on October 10, 2011. It was initially used internally at Google to build web server and mobile applications. Back then, it didn't get any attention outside Google. Dart is the fastest growing language used on GitHub. Unlike other programming languages, Dart has its own package manager called Pub. To sum up, developers that have experience with OOPS languages can learn Dart very easily. Here's a snapshot of Dart programming language. Ruby. users say Ruby is a beautiful and artistic language. Even being so artistic, it's simple, practical, and handy. Ruby was created in the mid-1990s and released in 1995. It's called a language of careful balance. The creator, Yukihiro Matsumoto, always wanted to make this language practical and natural such that it mirrors life. This language is a blend of various scripting and object-oriented languages such as Perl, Basic, Smalltalk, Eiffel, Lisp, and Ada. Hence, this language is more powerful than Perl and more expandable than Python. Being dynamically typed, this language treats everything as an object. Hence, everything in Ruby can have its own methods and instance variables. It is a flexible language which allows users to alter anything and everything within itself. This removes any boundaries for a programmer and hence is loved worldwide. Community for a language matters the most, and if we are talking about Ruby, it is the third most tagged language at GitHub with the 8th largest Stack Overflow community and 5th largest meetup community in the world. Hence, this language is a great tool in one's skill set. Here's a snapshot of Ruby programming language. And there you go. That's our list of top 9 future programming languages. Think we missed any? Let us know in the comment section below. We'll be back again with yet another informative video. Till then, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.